Hi, welcome to Sparkling Memory, a place where you can build healthy relationship with food, pleasure yourself. In front of you, what we're going to be making today. Some good old smoothies, of course. So here are all the ingredients. This is road runner raspberry, vanilla silk almond milk, blueberries, banana, strawberries, cinnamon, McCormick pure vanilla, and of course we have the blender. First add the milk. That's a vanilla almond extract. Not too much, just a little bit. Add the bananas one at a time. It's a lot harder when they're sticking together, so that's why one at a time is best. Strawberries, frozen, just like all the other ingredients. A good bit of strawberries, maybe 4 or 5. A few blueberries, a little bit more almond milk because that's not enough to cover the fruits that's in the blender already. But not to overdo it. It's like halfway full when it comes to the blender, so it's not overpowering. Roadrunner ice cream, good size scoop, and another very big scoop. Since you're not adding that much milk right now, but you will in the future. Then we have the cover, and then we start to blend. For some reason, I like to hold the top. I have no idea why. I guess it's just easier. First, you do it a little slow. Then, because of the consistency, you want to take it off. Get your trusted spoon, stir it, push down some of the fruits that's not exactly mixed in it yet. Then you want to put back on the cover. And then slowly start to blend them out. Barely tapping the button. Don't go full blast. Stir it around a little bit more. Seems to me like I needed more because I wanted more blueberries in mine for some particular reason. I don't like mine too sweet, but then again, I don't want it watery, then I don't want it creamy. It's so many different things when it comes to making it. So I like the right consistency. So I added some strawberries there and more milk. Thinking that it's not going to be stiff or too hard to come out. But it was anyway, even though I tried. Yes, make sure that is well blended in there. Because if you have fun, it's going to have chunks in it and it ain't going to be as good. It's kind of like how Wendy's have their frosty, but not quite. Because it kind of have a consistency of ice cream and I want to say a milkshake because it's having all that milk. But I wanted the kind of consistency similar to ice cream or frosting. The same time that you would normally buy from any Wendy's. Then I'll go tasting it again. But cover it down again. Half a banana. I think I may point at least two and a half, 3.5 bananas, not even so. Because farther back I did add another one. So that's just a half a banana right now. Because I like to make it not too sweet, but the same token is nice and cold. But I wanted to balance out the flavors. I don't want to have too much of a strawberry taste or too much of a banana taste or too much of a blueberry taste. I wanted to have this own place, whereas when you blend it and you drink it, it tastes good. It's not too much of any particular ingredient, just enough, whereas it tastes good together. Yep, adding those other fruits make it very thick. So now I have to go in there with something else. Yes, the milk. Make it a little bit more, not that thick, but just right. Bake them out, but not too much. I have to go wash off my lake cup. Then put on the cover again. Lightly touch the button, don't full blast. Because you want to shake it up a little bit. That way some of the ingredients that are heavy could go down to the bottom and it's necessarily not up to the top because we want the whole thing blended. Give it some time to do what it's doing. Now I'm trying again to see if it actually come out. Yep. A whole check of it come out just now so quick. Oh my goodness. See? But cold enough you're actually going to enjoy it. Too much and too little of anything ain't good. You have to have just the right amount of each. Then it should be alright. It's been Sparkling Memories. Bye bye.